Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about signing up for the TikTok Creator Rewards Program. So assuming you've met the eligibility requirements, which I believe is 10,000 followers, as well as I believe it's 100,000 qualified views within the past 30-day window, then you should be able to apply, assuming you also don't have any community guideline violations and that you're over the age of 18. There may be some other requirements as well, but those are the big ones. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the TikTok profile here. If you're unsure how to get to that, just select the profile button in the bottom right. And then you want to select TikTok Studio. Underneath monetization, you want to scroll over and select Creator Rewards Program. Open that up. And then if you have not applied for the program, there'll be a little description about what the program is and the eligibility requirements here. And then you would go about applying for it. I believe it does take several days for TikTok to review your application. And assuming you get in, you should be able to begin earning, assuming you have qualified views on your videos. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.